Have you ever wondered how your jewelry or handbags, watches actually compare to the stock market? Like, are you actually getting a good investment when you buy a luxury item? Well, today I'm about to uncover that. So if you want to know all the deets, you have to stay tuned. Hey, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulous, where I like to talk about luxury goods, items, a little bit of lifestyle, and then try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. All right, so today, Fab Fam, we're going to uncover the secrets of luxury investments. I mean, think of it like a treasure hunt, but for grown-ups. So let's dive in and discover which sparkly goodies can actually make you rich. Let's start by breaking down the numbers. According to this fascinating article from Visual Capitalist, luxury good investments have been making waves in the financial world. But how do they stack up against the tried and true S&P 500? Now, let's talk about why luxury items can be more than just extravagant purchases. I mean, they can also be very savvy investments. Imagine like owning a piece of jewelry or like a limited edition designer handbag that not only adds elegance to your wardrobe, but it also appreciates in value over time. It's like having your cake and eating it too. I mean, hello, that's what you do with cake. You eat it, okay? All right, so first up is rare whiskey. Rare whiskey. Try saying that like 10 times fast. That's like a tongue twister. Rare whiskey, okay? So imagine like just having a bottle or maybe even finding a bottle that's like a hidden gem, okay? Well, these babies have been going up in value like crazy, like even beating the stock market. Yes, the S&P 500 by a lot, not like a little bit, like a lot of it, okay? That means if you had one back in 2013, one of these rare whiskey bottles, it would be worth 280% more today in 2024. Yes, that beats the stock market. That beats the S&P 500. I mean, that's crazy. That is a lot. Like, I mean, I'm not a whiskey drinker, but if I knew that it's like the best investment you can get when it comes to like your luxury goods or items, I would have gotten that and just held on to it and then sold it and just made a ton of money, okay? So, but wait, there's more. Let's talk about fine wine and fancy watches, yes. Because they're also in action on like good sound investments. I mean, they might not shine as bright as like a bottle of rare whiskey, but they're still making some money, okay? Like serious money, like 146% more for fine wine and 138% more for watches today now, if you had bought this back in 2013. Now, it doesn't beat the stock market like rare whiskey does, but that's still pretty good, you know, to make that an investment. But like you get 146% more than you did when you bought it in 2013 for fine wine. I need to invest in fine wine. I mean, I'm investing in like what, you know, jewelry, because I love jewelry, and maybe designer handbags, but like I need to think about my choices about whiskey and wine and now watches, okay? I'm not the biggest watch connoisseur, but when you see these numbers, you're like, let me think about investing in some nice watches, all right? Now, let's not forget about handbags, because a lot of my Fab Fam, including myself, love a nice handbag. So fam, this one's for you. So those designer bags can be like little treasure chests themselves, okay? Because imagine owning a rare Birkin bag. I mean, it's like having a gold mine in your closet. Even with a Birkin that comes in like a very popular color, sought out for color, can provide a higher value or higher level of value in return. And last but not least, you know, I've got my own personal favorites. Yes, jewelry and colored diamonds. Yes, diamonds are this girl's best friend, okay? Now, while they might not sparkle as much in the investment world, they're still worth keeping an eye on because jewelry has gone up by 37% since 2013, and colored diamonds have gone up by 8%. I mean, that's still some money when it comes to like a return on your investment. It's not a lot. It's not 138% or whatever I said, or 213% for a rare bottle of whiskey. But you know, it's not too bad, all right? Whether you're into whiskey, wine, watches, handbags, or sparkly jewels, there's like something out there for everyone. It's like really like being on a treasure hunt, but instead of like X marking the spot, it's all about finding the perfect investment for you. Before you go all in on like luxury investments, let's not forget about our old friend, the S&P 500. Yes, because this index has been like the go-to choice for many investors seeking like long-term growth and stability. But is it still the best option in 2024? I mean, what's the verdict? Are luxury investments the new gold standard, or does like the S&P 500 still reign supreme? Okay, so the truth is, there's no one size fits all answer. I mean, the key is to really diversify your portfolio and find the right balance that suits your financial goals and risk tolerance. I encourage you to explore the world of luxury investments with an open mind, all right? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the market, there's never a better time to indulge in the finer things in life while securing your financial future. Thanks for joining me on this video about the exciting world of luxury investments. I mean, your support means the world to me. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you would like more tips and informative videos like this. And until next time, I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, keep investing wisely and make your investments sparkle brighter than ever, okay? Bye.